Hey everyone, welcome to a Vlogmas. It is 11:16. I'm about to head out the door to go get my hair fancied up. I've lived a full day so far. I just came home from the gym. I got up, I took Andrew to the train, I edited the video that for yesterday, which will be today. I don't know how that, you'll have already seen it. And then I am heading over to go get my hair done. I'm so happy to get these roots taken care of. Then I'm gonna go to my cousin's volleyball game and then keep packing. It's gonna be a full and exciting day. Not too much Christmas stuff on the docket. It's pretty sad. I am really like disappointed that we're not gonna have like Christmas stuff. But I'm hoping that when we get into the new place next week, maybe I could convince Andrew to bring out like a few items, not like the tree, but just give it like a Christmas, you know, Christmas feel. Anyways, I am just going to gather up my stuff, grab you guys, and we will head over to get my hair done. Just got my hair done and I'm currently at my cousin's high school to watch her play volleyball, but my other cousin's gonna meet me here. I hope I don't get in trouble. I don't know if I can just like come and watch the game, but okay, we'll see how this goes. Oh, the door's open. Hi, Lydia. We're going out in the bathroom. Okay, so I have not really done a great job of vlogging. Other than like you saw this rushed in clip on my phone from my cousin Claire's going to school, seeing Olivia to go see Claire play volleyball. Couldn't really film in there. There was too many kids and I can't show other people really on the camera. So I didn't film in there. But the game is over. Their team played amazing. And I'm waiting to pick up Andrew from the train. I think I said that a million times. My hair, so happy. I'm back to so blonde for the holidays, right before trips and everything. Yeah, so like I said for the millionth time, at the train picking up Andrew, we are going to go home and I gotta keep packing because it really needs to be done in like 2 days and I don't know how that's going to work. Oh, we have to pick up a lock. We found out that we have access to our storage unit a bit early, so Andrew's going to start the process of bringing stuff over to our new place, well, the new storage locker. And I actually have to go to the new place tonight because we have our wonderful Christine, Grace in the Home, project manager, designer, everything, Wonder Woman, coming with our kitchen guy, the kitchen guy, to do the final measurements and talk about the final design. I'm like wondering, should I share what it's gonna look like or should I just surprise everybody? I'm kind of leaning towards the surprise because the reveal will be epic, I think. Yeah, that is on the docket. No plans for dinner at all. Like, I don't know what we're gonna eat. This weather is just awful as well. I feel pressure in my head. I don't have a headache, but I feel the pressure building. So I'm wondering, are we supposed to get more snow or something? Let's see. Nope, it's just cloudy. Oh well. Yeah. Hopefully these vlogs get more festive and less me sitting in my car talking to you. Although if you like that, then hey, welcome to the life of Laura-Lee. How's it going? Okay, whoa, I forgot about this one. Whoa, I forgot about all this stuff. So basically figure out what we're getting rid of?
Yeah, if there's anything here you want to get rid of, I'll just throw it out now.
Okay, there's my wedding dress. Yeah.
Alright, I'll just leave this here.
All this stuff. Stuff over there. I wonder what's in that suitcase. And then we have, that's not that. But that's my good china down there. This probably is fragile, both of these. Let's go around. What is in here? Shoes. Okay. And then cute little glasses. Cute. All of our stuff. Hey guys, future Laura-Lee here. I realized as I was editing that I never ended this, ooh, that light, never ended this video for packing like usual. So I'm ending it now. Thank you so much for watching this Vlogmas video. Don't forget to hit that, really?
Sorry.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another Vlogmas Day video. Bye!